Despite the cost of living, have you ever noticed how it's remained so popular? You're welcome.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who we to know?
Okay, we got our cold water tank here, the line coming in through the ground down there. This is our 240 plug, and we got our off-grid power set up here. We have these split phase together right here, so we have 240 at the top because this is a 240 pump. It's submersed way down the middle of nowhere, 390 foot well. So we're gonna give her a go right now. All right, let's give her a go. Looks like everything's powered up. We're going to get a hose on there and we're going to turn it on. Alright, so we got water. So it's a 240 pump down in the well, almost 400 feet, 390 feet. That's how deep the well is. But we got her sorted out now, running it all off this off-grid system. So it's pretty cool. So it's 240 volts plugged in there, and then these are put together to run it. And we got water, all kinds of pressure. We're just getting like the bleach out of it. So that's pretty sweet. So we still got to get this water tested. Just getting all the bleach out of it from when it was first put in there. And this here is taking about 900, just over 900 watts to run her. And it's on, I think it's about 10 amps or so. But this says no problem with it. So that's super cool. Having this water, like, obviously is going to come in handy now.
So it's been a while since we've checked the trail cams, so let's go check them.
Sam ran back.
Yeah.
Because
Any
of
bugs?
Bugs.
Oh, hello.
He's back again. Gone and back.
Yeah. Here.
I look out across the water. I smell the song. I feel the breeze. But in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who we don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where.
All right, so we got our main water line in now, and it's run all the way over to where we're going to do our hot water closet. Over here is where the closet's going to be. You've seen the washer and dryer hook up over there, so this is against the master bedroom wall. And this is our hot water on demand, so it's all going to be in this area together. Makes sense, we'll build a closet right here to hide it all. Like you've seen, Jeremy's friend was here helping us. He's a plumber, so he was helping us set all of this up. Unfortunately, we didn't know that we needed an extra piece of 1/2-inch pipe, so we weren't able to complete the setup because there's no stores close by. So we had to leave and go get materials. So until we can get those materials, we need the 1/2-inch pipe to go right here, which we didn't actually think about. We didn't think we needed it. These are all 3/4-inch pipe. So that's why we need to head to a store and go pick up another pipe. And then we'll be able to finish it. We'll also run the propane out here. We have some pipe to go at the top there, run that out, and we're going to get a 100-pound propane tank to stick just on the other side of this wall, and it'll come in and run this hot water on demand. We are going to put this in between the wall for the exhaust so the house doesn't burn down. So as soon as we're able to head into a store, grab that pipe, we'll put this in the wall, we'll get that 100-pound propane tank, get it filled and have it outside, and we should be able to finish this up and have not only running water but warm running water. So that's going to be really exciting. It shouldn't be too much longer. We just ran into a bit of snag not knowing that we needed that pipe there.
All right, so we're really close to having the plumbing done. Need that pipe there. One of the biggest pluses of having the on demand now is that we don't have like the big tank we were always having to keep warm. We had it in like a temporary outdoor shelter or whatever. What do you call it? Utility room?
Yeah, utility room on the outside of the house that was really crappily built.
Yeah, it was like temporary out of scraps and everything, and that temporary became permanent. We eventually made it pretty decent, but keeping that warm was just like totally unnecessary, really. So we had our propane running the stove, and that. What else? Is there anything else?
No, I think just that, but it would have to kick in all the time because it was like a 40-gallon tank in a cold room that it had to heat up constantly, which sucked a lot of power. So
Yeah. Anyways,
it'll be nice not having that.
yeah, the first couple of years was a pain with it, and then even after, like the top part took a lot of power too.
It did, yeah.
Where this takes like 1/2 amp or something to like,
Yeah.
where you plug it in. So, and then it only takes that when it's in use.
Yes.
It only uses propane when in use, and only uses that 1/2 amp when in use. So we'll just hook it up to like a Blue Eddy unit. Mm-hmm. You could even do a small one. Mm-hmm. So to take care of that, and then other than that, just the propane it'll only use propane when it has to.
Yeah.
So that's a 12-liter one. So it's like you can do showers and everything should be all good.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be so much better.
Yeah.
Just warm up what we actually need at that time.
Mm-hmm. We were going to at the last one. We thought about doing one, and people had suggested it, but all that happened after.
Yeah.
So we already had the one in there, so it was like we already have a functioning one. So I'm not just going to switch it all around now.
Yeah.
Especially like you're really quite strictly on a budget there, even more so than once it's set up. We just kind of didn't want to
Stuck
screw
with
with it, right?
Yeah.
And we had our money going elsewhere. You know how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're just doing some improvements this time.
Mm-hmm. Switching out things that we didn't really care for at the last place.
Yeah.
Here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
We're pretty excited. It's going to be nice to have hot water.
Yeah, it should be done soon, so
Mm-hmm.
just check back.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow.
So I got my new bed made. I got my new shower, as you've seen. Things seem to really be coming together. I just need to get some bedding that'll fit this bed, and we'll be all set.